Here it is again, my custom built Lasko 16-inch table fan. And once again, I put the 16-inch pedestal fan parts on it, so this could be pretty interesting. And with these parts, it actually looks pretty cool. So the 16-inch parts are actually pretty big. So I don't know how it will work with the 18-inch parts. I mean, this would have been, I don't know the model number on this original fan. I think the model number has number 12 in it, so this would have the number 16. Here are the original parts. Oh my god. Here are the original parts for the fan. This is 12 inches. Real right here does not want to stay up. So, not much to say about it. I mean, the 12-inch parts do have a carry handle. This one does not have a carry handle. And it's the same kind of motor. Not much. This is obviously a scaled down pedestal fan. Here's high speed. And it actually blows less air with this, probably because the blades don't have as much pitch as the 12-inch size. Medium. Oh, it's gonna fall. Okay. There's low speed. Try to change the oscillator. The oscillator is really it actually even works with the oscillation, but since the like parts are too heavy for it, a little bit. I don't even know if this can oscillate if I had the 18-inch parts. But so far it's not a bad fan overall. It's kind of cool actually. Overall, it's very cool. I really do like the way it looks. But I wonder how it will look with the 18-inch parts. It'll look like the regular 18-inch pedestal fan. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Peace.